This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic connectivity. Plug both AirPods into the case and charge until the status light behaves normally. Low charge can reduce volume. Once done, clean the speaker mesh carefully with a soft brush and a 70% isopropyl swab around edges to remove debris that muffles sound. Make sure to connect to your iPhone, open the media player, and check the volume slider and audio balance so you know whether the problem is hardware or settings related. Next, focus on software and pairing state because many volume issues are digital. First, forget the AirPods and Bluetooth settings, wait about 30 seconds, then repair. This clears connection glitches. If that fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes. This restores factory Bluetooth settings. Make sure your phone's iOS is updated, try a different device to isolate the issue, and disable EQ or any volume limit features that could cap output. Finish by addressing likely hardware faults. Carefully inspect the speaker drivers for wax or obstructions. Use short-angled bursts of compressed air and a soft brush. Do not shove objects into the mesh. Test mono playback to compare left versus right and swap ear tips or sizes to check seal-related volume loss. If you still have low output or imbalance, contact Apple service with your serial and a clear symptom description. They can advise warranty coverage or paid repair. Troubleshooting tip: if cleaning and resets fail, documented tests speed up service outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.